In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find System Affiliate link. To begin, go ahead and log into your System Affiliate account. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you are inside, you will be taken to the main area of the platform where you can access your tools, account features, and business settings. From there, look at the top navigation menu and click on Dashboard. This is the section that gives you access to an overview of your account and related options. If you are new to the platform, take a moment to notice the menu layout, because many important tools are organized from this area. After clicking Dashboard, open the drop-down list and select Affiliate Dashboard. This is the section dedicated to affiliate activity. It is where System Affiliate shows information related to your earnings, promotions, and referral tracking. If you are trying to share your referral link with others, this is the exact place you need to visit. Once you are on the Affiliate Dashboard page, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You should see a section connected to your earnings and affiliate information. This area contains the details you need in order to promote System Affiliate correctly and make sure your referrals are tracked back to your account. Now look for the field labeled Your Affiliate Link. In some cases, you may also see an affiliate ID associated with it. The affiliate link is the most important part here because this is the unique URL that identifies your account when someone clicks it and signs up through your referral. When you find that link, copy the full URL exactly as it appears. It is a good idea to copy the entire link without leaving out any part of it, since even a small change can affect tracking. You can then paste it wherever you plan to share it, such as in your content, messages, or promotional materials. If you want to be extra careful, you can paste the link into a note or document first to make sure it copied properly before sharing it. That can help you avoid mistakes and save time later. So to quickly recap, you log into System Affiliate Tracking. Click Dashboard. Open the Affiliate Dashboard. Check the right side of the page. Find the section labeled Your Affiliate Link or ID and copy the full URL. That covers everything you need to know.